In this video, I'm going to take you through a Huobi Global overview. Huobi Global, who are the second largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of trading volume, have just celebrated their 8th year, and they're well known for their popular cryptocurrency exchange. But did you know they not only offer ways that you can buy and sell your cryptocurrencies, but also ways that you can earn, borrow, store and manage them within their own wallet, plus they even have their own HT token. Well, today I thought I'd take you through a high-level overview of all the different products, and I'll also put a timeline in the summary below so that you can just jump to specific parts of the tutorial. If you don't already have a Huobi Global account, I'll put my link in the summary below that will get you 20% off your trading fees. For more information, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. Huobi Global entered the blockchain industry in 2013 to make the financial sector more efficient and to make wealth more accessible to everyone. Their most famous feature is probably the Huobi Exchange, which currently supports 396 crypto assets, meaning that you won't be short of crypto trading pairs and can easily swap between the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and XRP, plus stablecoins such as USDT, USDC and their own HUSD and HT tokens. As I said, globally, Huobi is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in terms of trading volume and liquidity. And although Huobi don't offer fiat markets for trading, there are options on their site where you can buy crypto directly with the use of a credit card or faster payments for the likes of GBP. Or depending on your location, you can also deposit fiat currencies such as GBP, USDs or Euros for free. When depositing USD, Huobi will convert your USD to HUSD, which is their stablecoin, pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar, and you can start trading with this. In terms of spot trading on the exchange, you can simply create market orders which will complete immediately, or opt for more advanced order types, such as the likes of a limit, stop limit or trigger order. The trading fees to use their exchange start at 0.2% for maker or taker orders. However, these fees can be reduced further by holding their own HT tokens, which you can purchase via the exchange. In fact, Huobi are currently offering 50% discounts on trading fees for UK and EU users, meaning effectively these will be at 0.099%. And traders can further reduce these by signing up using my referral link in the summary below. The Huobi tokens, which have the ticker HT, were initially issued in 2018 with a supply of 500 million. The HT token can be used for fee discounts, voting on exchange decisions, and gaining early access to special events. Plus, you can also receive rewards from seasonal buybacks and trade with other cryptocurrencies listed on the Huobi exchange. To get reduced fees on the platform, simply hold the HT in your wallet and use those for the trading fees. And in this way, you can reduce your fees from 0.2% all the way down to 0.07%. However, this will depend on the amount that you're holding. And Huobi not only offers spot market trading, but also margin trading and derivatives for more advanced users. Margin trading allows you to use your capital as collateral and borrow funds to open a position. You can choose your preferred trading mode from cross, isolated and C2C. Cross-margin trading allows you to prevent liquidations by keeping a shared account for all your open positions. Huobi isolated margin trading increases your chance of liquidation, however it does reduce the chances of any further losses from your main account. And it does this by handling the capital of each position separately. And you can even lend your assets directly to a Huobi user and gain interest in the amount. And you can do that using the CTC model and going long or short. And both isolated and cross-margin trading have 3 different modes, which are automatic loans, automatic repayments and ordinary modes. There is a maximum of 0.2% maker or taker fees and a maximum of 0.0980% margin interest rate. Huobi Futures is where users can make a profit from the rising or the falling of digital currency prices, and they do this by going long or selling short based on their own judgment. The Huobi Futures adopt spread delivery. When the futures expire, all open positions will be closed at the index-based last hour algorithmic average price instead of the physical delivery. To use futures, you'll need to open a futures account where you'll need to complete risk verification. But just be aware though that this isn't available for those that are UK users. Once you have your crypto, Huobi also have their own Huobi Wallet, which is a default mobile app available on iOS or Android. And the wallet is multi-chain, private and secure, as the user remains in control of their private keys. And the wallet supports 20 wallet types and can also manage ERC 721 NFTs and 13 different stablecoins. Next, we're going to take a look at the ways that you can earn and borrow with the Huobi Pool or finance set of products. And first up is their staking. With staking, you can currently deposit Solana or CSPR and earn 5% APR on your crypto. Their Primepool users can lock their exchange assets through their mining platform and get free airdrops of some of the hottest new tokens. Previous projects have included earning more than 449% APR when looking up Talk for 7 days and getting STF. They also had locking up their own HT token to get DFA at 135% and ETH for 7 days at a rate of 80.53% to get DFA. Huobi Earn is where users can stake and earn a high yield on their crypto. So instead of holding your assets in a wallet, they can be deposited into flexible or fixed-term products that will generate interest on your crypto assets. These are filtered between featured, flexible, fixed and first-timer offers with rates up to 100% APY. However, these rates will depend on the crypto and the period that it's locked in for. For those of you that are interested in ETH 2.0, Huobi have launched ETH 2.0 one-click function. With this function, you can pledge ETH as BETH with one click and participate in ETH 2.0 proof-of-stake mining. And if you want to get hold of some money, but you don't want to sell up your crypto to free up some cash, you can use crypto as collateral using loans. With Huobi, crypto loans are guaranteed approval and they're instant arrivals. Simply enter in the amount that you'd like to borrow from a wide range of tokens, and the amount of collateral that will be required will then display underneath. And you can then choose your loan term from 30, 45 or 90 days, and your repayment amount will then calculate. So as you can see, Huobi Global isn't just this popular cryptocurrency exchange, as they offer other different types of products to their users. And that completes my Huobi review. As I said, if you don't already have an account and you want to sign up, then my link in the summary below will get you 20% off your trading fees. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.